Peace, love, light, and healing. Peace, love, light, and healing. Peace to the gods. Peace to the earth. Peace and love to everybody out there. Back at y'all with another video. This time, for the first time, or at least one of my first videos, we in my state, or the state that I lived in. We in Washington, Bellingham, Washington. So usually it's in Wisconsin or Minnesota or Florida. It's usually Midwest somewhere, something like that. So we on the west side, on the left side. Let's see if it's the best side. See what's going down. Before we do that, let's just the name of the video actually is the title, I should say, is Arsonist Causes $60,000 in Damages Before Fleeing. So sound like some insurance fraud or something like that, maybe. I don't know. We'll see. But before we get to the video, keep your mind right, keep your mind tight. You know what I'm saying? Stay away from the haters. Stay away from the negative energy. Keep your positive energy and your positive aura in your center, man. Don't let somebody energy vampires come suck you dry. All right, now is the time. That's not the time for that. Now is the time to stay in your light and be mentally strong, man. So a lot of distractions going on, a lot of craziness going on. So keep your mind right, keep your mind tight. Peace, love, light, and healing. Peace to the guys. Peace to the earth. Rome's in the house, in your mouth. Jojo Rome, I'm in my house, and I'm in your mouth. Like, oh, I'm in your house. Oh, I'm in your mouth. How many of y'all seen that song? I know y'all be waking up talking about and the hat, Rome, and the I'm glad if y'all do, man. Make you laugh.
Officers from the Ferndale and Bellingham police departments in Washington are called about a car on fire parked at a Mexican restaurant named Chihuahua. Little do they know, the arsonist who set the fire is secretly watching them from inside the restaurant, which he also destroyed.
This is like the second vehicle in 2 days lit on fire.
Second vehicle in 2 days.
Let me just do a quick check through the windshield. Hey, it's the police. Mark, get out here.
I know him by name.
Hey, we got one in the...
Mark, get your simple hand out here. What you doing, Mark?
Mark Larson.
Mark Larson causing a larcen?
Oh, he's running.
Larson done did it. Come on, man. Larson doing arson.
Hey, he's running. It's Mark Larson on 3rd. He's going down. Name, eastbound.
While officers don't have time to assess the full crime scene yet, they'll soon realize Mark caused a lot more damage than they initially thought.
Print, white male, last of Larson, first of Mark, shirtless, bloody.
White male copies Mark, shirtless and bloody, going towards Fringe.
Shirtless and bloody, Mark.
Austin Yard. There. 8 to 3. Somewhere in the vicinity of the school.
Incoming units, assist with a foot pursuit. Assist with a foot pursuit.
Sir, you hold that corner down there.
I come in there over like the movies. Usually if a car is burning on fire, that thing blow up.
That corner down there.
Movies be lying.
Well, that's weird. It's a burglary. We got somebody who fled from the building. The window's all broken out there. I don't know what the hell is all about. He was inside the building here. This is all the restaurant. Something's chasing him on foot somewhere down your central elevator. We got a bunch of incoming units. I'm staying here.
Yeah, we almost hit him with the fire engine. He crossed third, shirtless dude.
Yeah, shirtless and bloody. Yeah.
He ran across Main Street right in front of us when we were coming down the road there. Like,
I'm sure they'll catch him. We got 4 deputies and a dog.
so why? Who knows, right?
He was going eastbound on Maple towards the school. Last
You still ain't found Mark?
direction of travel was at Central Elementary. I've lost him from here.
Come on, bro. How you lose Mark, dog?
Bullshit, 07-12-96.
I'm holding perimeter at 2nd and Alder. Hey, how's it going, boss? Hey, a guy just ran from us. He's all bloodied up and shirtless.
Okay.
Is
You guys are out here. I was like, I better make sure all the doors are shut up.
yeah. How many doors are open? Just that one?
Yeah. Oh, they're locked. Well, I had one by the dumpster open, but I'm gonna shut it.
Yeah. Shut and lock.
And I've been standing right here, so no one came in.
Okay, perfect. Shut and lock them.
Quiet. Quiet little town. Let's seem like quiet little city. Where everybody knows your name, Mark.
Hey, how's it going?
Good.
So I get down to, what's that, Maple and 3rd, and some dude was sitting on his porch and was like, homeboy ran that way through the field right here. I lost him halfway through the field. So unless he ducked out in this apartment complex.
So you had him,
Yeah, I was last pointed eastbound through that backyard.
and what's his, like, he's just mental, or?
Yeah, he's probably a user. I mean, he's my age, 26.
Let's go to where you last saw him, and I'll get the dog on his odor, and then we'll hopefully pop out there. And...
Okay.
Young dude, 26.
Any speculation on what did this? Siphoning?
No, it's a bag shipment. Like he was trying to start on fire up the gas hole there.
It seems like they were trying to cover their tracks or
Burn the building
have a little
down?
fun.
He was inside the building. There's blood all over the inside of the building. And they're chasing him down by Central Elementary right now. I haven't cleared the building yet, so let's not go in.
Alright.
What the hell?
This is no longer on fire.
Okay, well that was, thank you for that.
Yeah.
Yep.
He was bleeding pretty good when he was up in Chihuahuas, so
Broke the glass or something.
yeah, freaking smashed it out. So I saw him here, and then nothing. You know Mark Larson. He was my grade. Dude, it's more than alcohol now. That kid was running. So I mean, if he didn't
you
take
on
off,
crack?
he ducked out somewhere in this
You know you ain't could catch no crackhead now.
place. I guess we'll find out.
You know you can't catch no crackhead. That boy got up out of there.
You want me to do soul comms and he'll be your cover, or?
Yeah, you call him.
Cool.
Look at Beowulf over there. Beowulf about to hawk him down.
Mark, spell out Police Department K9. You're under arrest for arson and burglary.
Keep him up under the car, Mark.
Mark Larson, you're under arrest. Sarah's about to be searched by Police K9. If he
Alright
finds
now,
you, he will
bite your
fire
ass
you.
cheeks off.
Mark, you're under arrest. Call out now. We'll take you into custody peacefully.
Mark done bled out. Mark done passed out and bled out up under there.
But he pointed straight that way. Are you Levi?
Yeah, I told you to good.
That's fine, Levi. You're not in trouble. Did you say he went this direction through this field over here?
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you, buddy.
Mark Larson, Bellingham Police K9. You're about to be searched by a police dog. If he finds you, he's going to bite you. Call out now. Right here? Was he wearing a headlamp?
I didn't tell, man.
Mark in the garbage can.
They've also got employees here.
Boy, that boy Mark hiding good, boy. He playing hide and seek with the cop. You get him? Come on, Mark. Come on now. Stick a toe out.
Jordan, call from where in the alley on the east side of Fringe Brewery.
Hey, man. Hey, come your hands, bro.
Making contact.
Hey, come your hands, man. Mark, right? Yes? No?
Yes, that's Mark.
Mark, can you lay on your belly for me?
He's laying there stiffer than a mummy.
How do you do?
That boy laying there like a mummy. Dummy.
Mark,
Mark, get
you
up.
be able to do what I tell you to do?
Get up, Mark. Crack done wore off. Boy over there bleeding out.
You gotta listen to us, man. Can you roll over on your tummy for me?
If he's not gonna do it, we can just go home.
Alright, cool. Yep.
Mark trying to act like he did.
You're under arrest, buddy.
On your stomach, please.
On your stomach.
For what? Don't tense up, bud.
Arson and burglary.
Arson? And what?
Flames on his drawers.
You guys ready to burn this place down? No. And you better
Said crazy, crazy boy.
We're not playing that game right now.
You're gonna burn down.
We're not gonna fight with you.
With the fucking wrist.
We're not gonna fight.
Burn down
Hey,
with this.
I don't want to use force on you, man. I really don't.
And you want to burn down with the building?
No, but I'm gonna take you into
Then
custody.
I'm gonna burn you down with the. Because you have nothing to go against me.
Roll over for me.
What do you have
Roll
against
over.
me?
We're done playing games. Roll over.
Oh yeah.
You're not king, motherfucker.
Mark. Oh, Mark, they gonna tase you, Mark. They gonna hit you with them yasers. They gonna hit you with the yam yammer. The zap, zap, zappery. Come on now.
Let go of it. Let go of the go-kart.
Face full of mouse traps. Ah, man. They trap his lip.
Smokey! Come on, Smoke!
Smokey. This ain't Friday.
Smokey! Come on, Smoke! You ain't got nothing on me.
Why are you doing that?
We're in custody.
Why are you doing that?
Doing what?
Fighting.
Fighting what?
Damn, bro.
What? You mean against your stupid ass LinkedIn guard? Hey, wait a second.
Take your head out, bro.
How about you take your guard out?
Ah, he gonna get this. Gonna snap him on the nipple.
Out.
That'd be cold.
Because you ain't got nothing. I don't even have a guard after you. You don't even have a guard after me. How about that?
That's not the fight you want to have. Not the fight you want to have.
Yeah? What do you have after me? How about that? How about that? How about that?
Yeah.
How about that?
Stop.
You have nothing against me.
Dude,
How about you have nothing against me?
if you keep doing that, you're going to catch another charge. You understand that?
Go for it, you fucking prick. Go for it. Go for it. How about it? I'll fucking kill you. Go for it. Go for it.
You want to... George, I call him. Yeah, you can...
Boy.
Pretty cut up on that. Is that all that's on him?
Yep, that's all that's on me.
Okay.
You dumb ass motherfucker. What is on me to provoke me? Let me know. Yeah, dumbass. That's my fucking point.
Burglary? Yeah.
Exactly.
It's arson and burglary.
Arson.
That's what you're under arrest.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
You're about to be fucking
I
arrested.
want you to know what you're under arrest for.
I'm just going to ask you one medical question that you're not going to get in trouble for. How much meth did you take today?
See, I knew it was meth.
Okay, why are your eyes
Washington.
so big?
I don't do fucking meth. Look at me. I don't do meth.
I don't see him needing to go to the hospital for anything.
Okay, perfect. I guess I'll pull from the other.
Yeah, someone's gonna need a pull.
Hey,
Let's try.
How about that?
Let's get you on this seat so you can go That's awesome. I like that. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I like that. That's nice. That's cool. Oh whoa.
Hey, Carl.
My name's not Carl. My name's not Carl.
Now that Mark is in custody, the owner of the restaurant arrives at the crime scene, and officers show him the true extent of the $60,000 worth of damages.
So essentially, fire department got a report of a car on fire. Detective Yamage and then myself arrived, confirmed that the back left gas tank was on fire. I went around the front of the car to make sure nobody was inside. Nobody's inside, but I step on glass. I look, and that window right there is broken out. So I peer in, dude's inside, just thrashing the place. Recognize them, starts running. Anyway, we get him in custody. But building's been cleared. It's wrecked. There's blood everywhere.
Inside the.
Yeah, we can go look. So we've already taken pictures. We don't know whose vehicle it is.
That's my dad.
Okay.
Oh, that's a dad.
Air conditioning destroyed your tacos and tequila sign.
Hey man, are you family too? Okay. So we caught the guy.
You did?
And he's in jail, yeah.
Wow.
But he did some damage, man.
The only things he took, which we have to collect, I just left him on the sidewalk, was a leaf blower and a can of spray paint.
Nice.
So,
He was just on drugs. And
yeah, he's...
I think he just was completely out of it.
Matter of fact, I saw him running with nothing in his hands.
Yeah.
So, and then we searched him, and there was nothing on him. So he dropped that leaf blower and the can of spray paint on the sidewalk out here that we'll pick up.
If you guys find other stuff that is missing or damaged, then contact us. We'll give you do you have a card with a case number on it? And then if you find something or you see something later that's missing, then contact us and let us know.
The suspect, Mark Larson III, was booked into jail and held on a $50,000 bail. The damage to the car he allegedly set on fire was estimated at $40,000, and the damages inside the restaurant were estimated to be $20,000 for a total of $60,000 in damages. Mark was charged with felony second-degree burglary, felony second-degree arson, and felony first-degree mischief, while he is presumed innocent unless proven guilty in a court of law. Depending on plea deals and concurrent versus consecutive sentencing, Mark could spend up to 25 years in prison if convicted.
Wow. Dang, that's crazy. But that's big out here. Meth is big in Washington. And they call it, for some reason, they call it poop. I don't know why. They call it poop. And one dude told me the reason they call it poop is because they just be up all night stinking. And they just be walking around like zombies. And they just do whatever. Like, they be up for 3 to 5 days just walking. And just doing stuff. Just walking around, doing whatever. Like him. Like, you so high. You just like, I'm going to set a car on fire because I ain't got nothing else to do, so I'm gonna break in the restaurant. Then I'm gonna break everything in the restaurant because I can't sleep. That's what it is. It's almost like a I don't want to say sleep paralysis, but it's almost like if you don't get enough sleep, your brain, while it's on drugs, goes into all those different weird states, dimensions, whatever you want to call them, and they do crazy stuff. And then when they come down, they don't be knowing. And then they be sleep for a whole week straight, no eat, no nothing, just sleep for a straight week. It's crazy, man. Mark, I knew it was something. But Mark crazy, man. Y'all better leave Mark alone, man. Go on, put 25 years on him if he get convicted. That's crazy. For arson and Larson called the arson, and now they gonna send him up to Carson State. All right, that's crazy, man. So y'all be easy, man. Stay off these drugs. Stay away from these drugs, man. This stuff is messing people up, man. It's messing people up. This alcohol and all these new age drugs that these people are on is messing them up, man. That ain't how it's meant to be. It's not how it's supposed to be, y'all. Keep your mind right. Keep your mind tight. Roma's in the house, in your mouth. Jojo Roma, I'm in the house, and I'm in your mouth like, oh. I say put it on loop, let it play. We almost done, y'all. We are almost there. About 700 more hours to go, and we can get some more free gear out to y'all. All right, until then, peace and love, light, and healing. Peace to the gods, peace to the earth.